These are going to be the elevators at the brand new dual brand Hampton Inn and Home2 Suites property, Channelside, downtown Tampa. Let him head up. See which one comes. That one has a center opening door, but the other two are single slide. Got this one. Put one out. This place is brand new. Okay. See how high we can go. 6. Oh well, that's better than nothing. So we're on 6. Here's a view of downtown Tampa over there. Very beautiful view. I'm gonna have to get a still shot of that. Okay. The hallway. And you know what, we're gonna head back down. Here's the view of the cab. It's the exact same as the parking elevator here. Really nothing too fancy. I've seen probably over 100 of these. But it's a solid install and it's pretty smooth. I'm gonna get off here. There it goes. That's it.